Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tamisha and today I'm sharing with y'all how I made this wig. So I am using a netted wig cap, T-pins, a crochet needle, and of course the star of the show, the hair. Check the description box below, everything will be listed there. So I'm anchoring the wig cap with the T-pins mainly to keep it sturdy and it's not moving, sliding all over the place as I begin to crochet the hair. I left extra material at the top because once you begin to crochet the hair through, it will begin to tighten up, so this kind of prevents it from becoming too snug. I wanted it to be easy to take off and put on. When I crochet the hair, I'm taking it through about 3 to 4 holes at a time and keeping it about a finger width apart, and each row will be in the brick layer format. And it's just that simple. You just keep going row by row until you fill in the space that you want, no gaps are showing, and voila, you're done. And before you know it, you have a crochet wig made by you. Not gonna lie, at first I thought that this was gonna be the hardest task ever and I might not be able to pull it off. But honestly, y'all, this is super simple, especially if you crochet hair. In general, you crochet hair on yourself, then you know what to do. You already know what to do. It's just on the mannequin, that's it. As I started to get the hang of it, I realized that I had the front of it too low. So I adjusted the T-pins to make it higher, to kind of mimic how it would lay on a real person's head, like how it would lay on my head. I'm glad I made the adjustment because then I realized that just like when you're crocheting your own hair, towards the front you don't want it to be super layered in. Like the back, it can be layered in and super thick, full, that's how you would like it. But the front doesn't necessarily have to be that way, especially since I'm wearing this as a headband wig. I'm gonna continue to crochet the hair in, and I made an adjustment and removed some of the hair from the front that was going to be covered by the headband and moved it to the back to help fill in those spaces better. And just like that, I created a headband wig with this beautiful blue hair. I love this color. It's really a nice color. Thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all next video.